And how bad is this thing? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you shouldn't be able to do that with metal. So it looks like it is finally time to replace this. And chances are this is going to be the last thing that I ever fix on this pellet grill. I've already changed the burn pot, and it's, I think we're going on 10, 11 years, something like that. I did get another one, which definitely looks a whole heck of a lot better. Don't know if it fits. Give it a quick swap and see how that works out. Now, one thing I noticed with the new one is there seems to be, it's like say 3/8 would be too much, probably 1/4 of an inch gap here. This is going to do something for that airflow. We'll see how that affects the cook. Removal and replacement, simple enough. If you've already got a pellet grill, I'm sure you're pretty familiar with taking the oven out and washing it. As you can see, it's already cleaned out from earlier. Now, lo and behold, fits like the factory one. And it still will let the grease drippings go into the pail at the end. So, looks like a good fit. Yeah, just this thing is, I'm not sure about that, if that'll affect the cooking, but we'll barbecue on it, let you know how it turns out. So we did barbecue a pizza on the pizza stone that you've seen at the bottom there, right after I finished making this video, and noticed no difference in performance. So my pit boss is still working, continues to work, and hopefully this will extend the life of this thing. Well, I guess we'll see.